Listen,
What's up?
I know these guys from one space to the next. This guy's ass kicking over here, right? He's something built. He's my guys. Brian and Conor, even though you like Conor McGregor, this is my guys right here, though, right? Good luck, guys. Appreciate it, right? Yep.
I didn't see you there. Hey. What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's vlog. We are Hook, a sustainable flat pack furniture brand.
If it's your first time joining us, check out our older videos where we document the growth of our company.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more. If you subscribe now,
you'll be subscribed to our channel.
Yeah, and you'll get notifications if you hit the bell icon.
Yeah. Oh, hey, sorry, didn't see you there. All right, what's up, guys? I wanted to take you through some of the custom boxes that we have made for the Hook orders. So this particular one is a hexagonal shaped box that we designed for the round coffee table. So we cut these out on the CNC machine using a Donek drag knife. This particular one, a two-piece box, so it doesn't fold open. You can actually just lift the top right off. And we've kind of, on the CNC, we created these little tabs that we hot glued on the inside to make it a 3D shape. So that's that. When you open up each box, you have this secondary sheath that will have some branding on the inside, an information leaflet, and a note from us. And then we also have these cutouts specific to each product that kind of reveal the material and the product inside that we thought was a nice feature. But it also acts as a secondary layer of protection in case the top layer gets pierced. So then you can lift that up, and then we have the piece inside. So we've given every piece 1 inch buffer that we've kind of filled with honeycomb packing to protect the sides from any sort of impact. And then underneath the piece we have some recycled cellulose paper and another layer of cardboard, so we have 2 layers protecting each surface. So then once you open up your piece, you can take the legs right out, click them into place right in the box, and then you just flip it right out of the box, and that's it.
All the little pamphlets and instruction manuals. It tells us a little bit about, your hook furniture, how to assemble it, all about the product, and info, I guess, info pamphlet. It's actually really nice weather. Weather is good. Snow is melting. More parking spots are emerging. A random thought of the day. Got a new lav mic that we're testing out because obviously we're in a shop environment, and we'd have to shut down everything, make sure no one was drilling, no one was sanding, because the mics were so sensitive. It would kind of inhibit production a little bit. So this is normally what the shop sounds like. We got the air compressors going on, the CNC on, the vac bed, the drill, impact drivers and things like that. So we just want to test the mic out and see if the audios are good, and it'll just step us up into next level.
So what we're doing right now is these are the insert sheets that go on top of the furniture, and we're sticking on this little envelope to house the instruction manual and the information pamphlet. And I think Luca is getting an inventory, and we're going to start shipping out all the units today. Yeah, we're also going to hand deliver a desk today to a friend of mine. She's in the area. She was one of the first backers. So this is her desk here. So we're going to bring that over to her after work and install it at her apartment. Yeah, today was a pretty good day for us. So we shipped out the first large batch of Hook orders. So it's kind of exciting to see everything go out. But we are finished work for the day, and a friend of mine, Saskia, lives nearby, and rather than ship her desk out, we thought it'd be kind of fun to bring it over, give her the white glove treatment, and set it up and see what she thought. So we're dropping that over now, and we're going to call into her apartment and see what she thinks.
That's perfect! No, it's true, it's true. I love the finish and I love the color.
Okay.
I think it's beautiful.
Good.
And I think it's a great addition to the bedroom, you know?
Have a good night.
Thank you, you too.
Alright, that's it for this week's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. It's obviously a very exciting time for us. We're finally shipping out the orders. So if you're one of the Kickstarter backers, look forward to your new piece. It's probably in the mail. And yeah, if you have any questions about what we've been doing this week, the shipping, some of the fulfillment, definitely leave those comments in the comment section below and we'll answer those. And remember to share this video with friends and family. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell for the notifications. And yeah, tune in next Sunday.